Welcome to Live in and as Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light, and love flowing. We've got 3 cards today. Our first message is light and joy and peace abide in me. You are as God created you, not what you made of yourself. Whatever evil you may think you did, you are as God created you. Whatever mistakes you made, the truth about you is unchanged. Your sinlessness is guaranteed by God. You are a pure soul, and that's the truth. Our second message today is karmic relationship, Orion energy, polarity, soul growth, conflict. The constellation Orion is thought by many to have been a place of great polarity and eventual unity. Some believe that many starseeds who were part of this cosmic history are incarnate on Earth now and are playing out karmic relationships from Orion times. Perhaps you are one of them. Polarity causes conflict and highlights separation. However, because of this, conflicts can also result in unity and growth. Too many misunderstandings are caused when we don't open our heart and mind and see things from a different point of view. When we go into reactive second-guessing mode instead of gathering the courage to open our heart, we should admit that we may have reacted because of our own wounding and then find mutual ground. We are all innocent children looking to be seen, understood, and cherished. It's much harder to grow closer through conflict than it is to grow further apart. Yet, that is an invitation of conflict. It is easy to react and take things personally. It's more challenging to see the innocence of all involved and find a way to grow closer through the conflict. It's through relationships that we grow the most. How can you soften your heart and drop your defenses enough to see things from a different point of view? How can you see the innocence of all involved? How can you learn to see the similarities rather than differences? This is an inquiry card, and the inquiry is: which relationships do you find the most challenging? How can you see things from a different perspective? How are you being called to allow growth through the conflict? Wow, very different message today. Earth is a planet of polarity, and our soul expands and grows when it experiences polarity. When you see different perspectives from different angles, that is when your soul expands. So this is a message to see different perspectives, see from other people's point of views, and use relationships as a tool and conflict as a tool for growth. Our third message today is big picture thinking. Pleiades energy, visionary, inspired ideas. The Pleiadians are our cosmic cousins. They are here to remind us that it's never too late to learn new things and change the future. You are being called to be a visionary for the planet, to take a breath, shake off what you've been taught about the world, and hold a new vision for humanity. You are likely a natural big picture thinker, here to generate ideas for the future, here to birth a new age and dream a new world into being. The future will be woven by many dream makers like you, by those with enough courage to question the way things have been and envision new possibilities for the planet. The world needs more artists, dreamers, inventors, and visionary thinkers. Perhaps you have had an idea recently that you're being called to usher in. If so, this card is your confirmation that it is divinely guided. The Pleiadians support us in this important stage in Earth's development. They want us to know that the decisions we make today will affect the well being of our planet and all of its species. They're calling on you to be a leader of the future, to hold a clear vision of what's possible, to trust that vision and follow it through with daily action, to dream a new world into being, to hold your mind open and try not to worry about what others think. For it takes great courage to pave a new path, to trust a vision before it's a reality. This is an inquiry card, and the inquiry is, how are you being called to step up and lead? What new ideas or creations are you being called to pursue? All visionary thinkers and dreamers were considered as crazy, probably, when they did something new. But this is the message for us to think big and to think new and dream and hold a vision and take daily actions on that. And you're being guided and you're being supported in this cause. Those are the messages for today. Lots of love.